Provident scheme to come into force today.
Our story started in 1955. It was an exciting time for a young nation. Like many others, I landed my first job.
I got the job!
Nice lah!
Wow, Sheng, your first job Got grown up already not bad
Of course lah, Hey, wait, you got 10 minutes already or not?
Oh yeah!
We stood at the threshold of change, uncertain but hopeful. I still remember the feeling of getting our first home,
Yeah,
made possible
first home.
with our CPF savings. We work hard and save to lay the foundation of a lifetime. Years passed. I became a grandfather, watching my son raise his own family. With retirement ahead, I wanted to face this new chapter with confidence.
This is CPF Life, something new. I'm thinking of joining.
But life doesn't always go as planned. When times were tough, I'm glad that support was always there.
Okay lah. Luckily the bill was mostly covered. Come, I show you.
Uncle, I help you go get your glasses.
Good girl.
The world is changing, and we must keep looking ahead. As my son likes to remind me, it's never too late to learn.
Oh, but it's never too late, okay? You see, you can check your own CPF nomination too.
We need to embrace new ways of doing things for the better.
Uncle, Pa, let's go for a walk.
For my generation and the ones that follow, the story continues. The memories we have made, the times we have shared, and the future we will keep building together.